Hi, this is Dean with Worldwide Trekking. I want to talk a little bit about the baggage that you'd need in Tanzania for a Kilimanjaro climb and kind of how you can think about the baggage that you're going to bring over there. So, you will have a mountain duffel bag that is carried on Kilimanjaro every day by a porter. That bag needs to weigh 40 pounds or less, and it gets weighed at the trailhead to make sure that they can safely carry your bag. That has your sleeping bag and your clothes and all the things that you need at camp each night when you get to your camps. Other than that, you're going to have a day pack. The day pack is what you wear on your back every day. It has water, maybe a layer change in it, and sunblock and a couple little things. We try to keep those as light as possible. And that way you're having all the things that you need between camps while you're out hiking throughout the entire day. When we leave the lodge to go to the mountain, to go to Kilimanjaro, you can leave a checked duffel bag or suitcase of any type at the lodge. That bag should have anything that you don't want for the mountain. A laptop, clothes for your safari, additional travel afterwards, the travel clothes that you wore on the flight over, shoes, and things like that. So anything that you don't need on the mountain, you'll leave when we head to the mountain. It's in secure storage at our lodge, and then we will retrieve those when we come back off the mountain, and you'll have them for your flight home or your safari or an additional adventure afterwards. So three main bags: your Kilimanjaro day pack, the duffel bag you bring on the mountain, and one that you leave in storage when we head to the mountain that you'll use for additional travel afterwards. If you have any questions at all, feel free to contact us, and we're happy to help out. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and contact us if you have any questions. It really helps us out.